For today's video, I'm going to use all the discarded CDs and this cardboard box. So welcome to Bageshri's Color Box and let's start the video. I took hot water and dipped the CD for about 10 minutes and then started cutting it. It was little tough to cut the CDs, so I took gaps in between. Finally, all the CD pieces are ready. I made a thick paste of wall putty, glue and water, but later on I also added some white color to this paste. To be on a safer side, I secured the edges of this box using masking tape. The color of this paste was little lighter, so I added white color to it. Now I begin sticking with the CD pieces. The only thing that I made sure was they should be very close to each other. Sticking closely will give the effect of mosaic art, although it is not exactly mosaic art. So my side one is done and this is how it looks. So I gave some time to rest and later I begin with the side 2. Here I begin with side 3. So whatever small or big pieces that were remaining, I used them all here in the side 4. I gave it an overnight time for drying. Once it was done, I cleaned up all the pieces so that it can shine very well. For all the 4 sides, I am sticking this silver lace. Even with a very less light, this box shines really well from whichever angle you can see. So either I can use it as a single piece of decor or I can put some flowers to enhance the beauty more. Your subscription and a like to this video would definitely give me a lot of encouragement and support to this channel. I am completely loving this handmade home decor edition for my home.